Today, let's go to Rue Bouvreuil Street. We are a few steps from the train station, and here we find ourselves in front of the Dungeon of Rouen, known as Joan of Arc's tower. So, I immediately put an end to an urban belief. Joan of Arc was never imprisoned in this tower. She was only threatened with torture within its walls, but was locked in another tower located at 102 Joan of Arc Street. Let's now observe this dungeon from the outside to better understand its evolution over time. As you may know, this keep was built in the 13th century. It is the last vestige of the castle of Philippe Auguste. Built in the 13th century on an ancient Roman theater, it was at the center of the Hundred Years' War, and notably during the Siege of Rouen in 1419. Its history can be read on its walls. Indeed, if you compare the bricks on the ground floor with those on the upper floors. The red bricks on the ground floor are original, while the white bricks were used in the 19th century for the reconstruction of the keep, which had been demolished in the 16th century. However, if you are keen observers, you will tell me that not all the bricks on the ground floor are red. Exact. You are right. And this is one of the unusual aspects of this dungeon. Indeed, during the Second World War, the keep was occupied by German forces. It was then camouflaged with red paint. This is the explanation for the presence of this red color.